Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, the 90s Hyper Rider. So today, this video is going to be a little informative towards those people who are looking for a luggage solution during the trip, but it's like a very small 1 day or 3 day trips max. So there are two options. Either you can go for one tank bag, but as I know, people tend to carry their DSLRs, cameras, gears, chargers, phones, and all these things. So what happens is that in the tank bag you're not left with so much space to carry your clothes and everything, luggage, extra luggage, toiletry items, first aid kit or slippers, extra shoes, socks, and all these things. Recently, while browsing on the internet, I found a really nice item or a nice piece of biker luggage solutions, which might help us in carrying luggage for like 3 to 4 days luggage with proper like everything, extra shoes or slippers or everything. And I believe this thing could help many people, and that's why I'm making a video out of this. So the luggage solution that I'm talking about is by Viaterra. It's a very renowned brand, and these guys make like really good quality luggages for the bike, and it's very robust. It can take a beating like left and right. So they created this bag, and it's called the Elemental. If I'm not wrong, it's the Element tail bag. It's the Element tail bag, and this tail bag is like a really nice solution to a top box as well. Like if you have a set of saddlebag, and then you are hoping to have a little more extra storage space towards your side to keep on handy stuff and everything like that. So this bag can also serve that purpose too. So let me show you that. This is the Elemental thing. It's bigger than my face also, but this bag serves like most of the purpose that I am currently looking forward to. So let's just change the camera angle and show you how the insides are. And okay, so about this, I had purchased this bag from Amazon. It is listed on Viaterra's website as well, and the prices on Viaterra's website and Amazon are both the same. So I'll be linking them down in the description, and you can check out from there. And if this helps you, do sure leave a like, comment down below and tell me how do you like this, and would you like me to tell you more about such kind of solutions and everything. So let's just change the angle and see how does it goes. As you can see, this bag is provides really good. It's first of all, the semi-hard material that Viaterra is using in this has given us a rigid form, and it doesn't lose its shape during I believe it won't lose its shape during its high speed and everything. So so upon opening the main compartment, okay, first of all, this thing comes with two extra things inside the bag. One is our rain liner, or the rain cover for the bag. It's okayish, and like whatever I have heard from previous owners, they have said that this thing has they have increased the quality for this, and I'm really happy that this thing is like included in this, and this thing looks very sturdy also. So we'll see, and also it's raining, so I believe this is gonna be helpful. Second thing that comes inside this bag is a shoulder strap. This shoulder strap is basically used to carry it on your single shoulder, and it can be attached over to these two hooks, I believe, or the loops, where you can easily take it off. Okay, so now when we open the main compartment, and it gives us space for it is basically a 35-liter tank, not a tank, the 35-liter bag, and this has a few like organizer pocket, I believe, and I have like few pouches to keep inside this. And the best part is, And the best part is, if I keep my laptop also in this, it will surely fit, like properly fit into it. And like if I stuff it between clothes and everything, this is nothing is going to happen to my laptop also. So this is what I like about this bag. So moving on. Uh, to mount this bag, and also it has a few what we call this EBC, elastic band compartments for your gloves or anything while on the go. So you can just stuck it here and tighten it, everything. So it will stay there. But according to me, this could be a little more thicker Viaterra from Viaterra, as what this is why this is very thin kind of rubber band. I don't know if it will hold properly or not. Okay, to mount the bag on the bike or on the bike's tail, what we do is we open from here. So this is one side loop, and this thing will go on the rear side facing the back audience or the people coming from the back, as reflectors have been provided on this side. And from the other side we have two more loops or two more straps that comes out. So guys, what I can say now with this bag is we can carry approximately 7 days or 6 days of summer clothes, which includes like your light t-shirts, 2 pair of jeans and all that kind of things. Some 7 days of clothes you can carry in this alone. And for winters, I believe if you're going to some hill station or anything, I believe 3 to 4 days of clothes is what you can carry in this. And plus your saddlebags and everything else, I believe you can just go out for a month and come back. So let us just go down to my parking area and figure out, or just let's see how we can mount this on the bike more effectively. And we'll just take a spin around in the block also to see how this bag performs on the back. And it's also raining out there, so we can test the rain cover that is being provided with it. So should we go? So. So let us just. She is too heavy too. So and let us just grab a bag. Okay, so to mount the bag, all we got to do is take these straps, which are already provided inside and are stitched too. So we first take them out. This one is one, and from here there are two more. Let's take that one first. So we have to make sure that this thing has to face back because of reflectors placed here and on sideways. So next, to loop this, what we do is take this double D ring, open up and pass it through underneath your around this indicator light, and underneath come back over here, and then all I have to do is loop it inside the double D ring. And I hope all the bikers know how to use the double D ring. And that's very good. So the more I pull it, until it gets. And okay, so here we go. Now in the front part, taking these two, cameraman here also it's a double D ring fasteners, and if you have to first untie that, and from the other side as well. And for people who have the side saddle space, you can tie it on the rod part, or people who don't have this, there's a gap over here in between the foot bed, So what you can do is you can loop it through that. But because I have saddle space, I'm gonna loop it around, come back, and loop the double D. And that's how I can secure it here. Similar way on the other side as well. Come back, loop it around. And then look, थोड़ा सा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, but it takes like approximately 2 minutes passing this inside. And oh my god, it already looks very sturdy. So that is the cover से पहले गीला हो गया. Tat. और इसमें like and I believe this should work. Okay. So, this thing looks good, but let us just go for a small spin and see how this thing stays up here. Let me just grab my helmet and wheel. Okay, so now we are back on the motovlog setup. और please don't mind, अरे ये चीज़ तो बताना भूल गया. So guys, we are back on the motovlog setup, and one thing I should mention is when you have a tail bag, you cannot sit by swinging your leg. It's gonna take a time and used to it. So let's just go for a short spin and see how the bag performs there. Right now I don't feel it anything because there is no weight and I have just put my helmet into it. So I just and I hope this thing is going to stay like that, so no matter what, and I hope my lens doesn't fog up. Okay, so I'm just going around the block, small spin, just to make sure the bag doesn't go left and right or anywhere else. And till now it seems fine. And pump space, it's actually sturdy. I cannot feel anything is going left or right behind the bike or anything like that. So let us just find some open place. And also it is drizzling, so I don't want to go boom boom zoom zap zoom. थोड़ा side दे दो भैया. Okay. Oh, actually this bag right now it doesn't feel anything with the bag, but yeah, this thing will give us really, this thing has too much of luggage space here. Come on, that's the only reason I bought this. And 35 liters of luggage space is like you have everything to yourself, and it's quite sturdy. Like I thought that 3 mounting points could be very difficult to manage and how to balance it out, but Vietera has taken great care of it, and I am pretty much happy with what I have got. So okay, so we are back, and yes, that was the difficulty I was talking about. It's too much high, so I cannot swing my leg up. So the other thing I could do is come up here and then climb up like that, but it's okay, fine. So okay, now to unmount this bag. To unmount this bag, oh my god. It was super clean, dude, come on. Okay, so now I have to unmount the bag, and it has gone to what I was expecting. Yeah. Okay, so people, it's an optional. You can adjust it to your vehicle and cut it and then seal it, so that you don't get up with this mess. And similar goes for the all other three, bands and loops. I should have taken care about this before. So let's now unmount it. Okay, unmounting procedure is also very easy. Just the same way you mounted it. Release all the straps, and to the other side as well. Okay, and the main one. Main one is going to be more, havoc kind of thing, because it has to go underneath the mudguard. Yeah, as expected. So इतना तो सहना ही पड़ेगा फिर. नए बैग की लग गई. कोई नहीं. So that's how you do, and then you directly pick it up and you can walk home. Well, this is going to be very effective during summers, but during rainy seasons this has to be dealt with. Good, I have told you. And let's go up. So guys, we are back after the short sprint, and I hope so that this bag, the Viaterra Element tail bag, I have told you everything what I possibly could about this bag at the first impressions, and a very short kind of usage. But definitely I'm going to put one more, and like one more small, my afterthoughts after using it over a longer period of ride, and let's see how it dwells upon that. So for any reason, if you have watched my video till now and you have liked it, so please do hit the like button, share your comments, share your thoughts in the comments, and do subscribe to my channel, and keep watching. We'll see you on some another adventure.